everybody, how's it going? It's Jamie, the crafty DIY guy, and I'm back. I have got a DIY project for you today that I am super excited about. I am collaborating with Arteza Art Supplies, and they have an incredible array of art supplies for all of you guys. If you're not familiar with Arteza, definitely check out their YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/Arteza. And also, you can click the link in the description box below that will take you right to their website. And if you use that link and you buy something, you're gonna save 10% off of your purchase today. So why not shop and save some money and get some of these amazing supplies sent directly to you? Now, before we get into the video, I do want to say thank you, of course, to all of my long-term subscribers. I call you guys my OGs, and I appreciate you so much. If you are one of my newer subscribers, don't worry, you'll get OG status soon enough. And also, if you are brand new to the channel, maybe you're checking it out for the first time, I hope you'll consider hanging out with us and subscribing to the channel. All right, let's get into the video. All right, everybody, for our projects today, we are going to be using these supplies from Arteza. If you are interested in ordering any of these for yourself, I have provided links below in the description box. For my paints, I'm going to be using this 20-piece outdoor acrylic set from Arteza. I absolutely love these colors so much. These paints are water-based, they're scuff-resistant, they're self-sealing, and they're for indoor and outdoor use. And best of all, they are non-toxic. Check out this color assortment. How gorgeous are all of these? And I'm going to be using these 3 colors for my project today. Arteza also sent me a 45-piece set of wood slices. These are natural pine wood with bark. They're pre-sanded, they're polished, they've got a smooth surface on them, and they're perfect for arts and crafts, especially for what I'm going to be doing today. And they come with a nice bundle of twine that you can use for anything. Arteza also sent me this 15-piece miniature brush set that you can use for perfect detail work on your project. I'm going to turn each one of my premium wood slices into a little pumpkin. So I'm going to just kind of figure out the best layout of my pumpkin or the best shape. And then I'm going to take my lineman pliers and just kind of chip away at a little bit of that bark. The reason why I'm going to do that is because I'm going to be gluing a small wood square that I picked up at my local craft store on the top of my wood slice to create this little pumpkin. I made 16 of these pumpkins for my little pumpkin patch. For my pumpkins, I'm going to be using this Tangelo color from Arteza. Again, their paints are water-based, scuff-resistant, self-sealing, for indoor-outdoor use, and non-toxic. And I love the way this paint spreads on these wood slices. It is smooth, it is nice and thick, and I only used 1 coat. For my stem, I'm going to be using the Arteza chocolate color. Again, this color is super rich. I love the way it goes on these wood pieces, and it has excellent coverage. Again, just using 1 coat on the stem. I think my pumpkins are adorable, and I love them nestled together in their pumpkin patch, surrounded by that Arteza chocolate paint. This next part is totally optional. I'm going to take some charcoal black paint from Arteza, and I'm going to take one of those miniature brushes, and I am going to paint a jack-o'-lantern face on my pumpkin. Now, again, this is optional for you. If you are not the greatest painter, I'm traditionally really not the greatest painter, but these Arteza brushes do make this process very easy. Just go nice and slow, and as you can see, I am slowly creating a jack-o'-lantern. Now, I did decide to forego the jack-o'-lantern and just do a more woodland approach to my wreath. Now, that round circle that you see, that is just my guide. I am just using that. So I glue my pumpkins in a circular formation. Again, I used 16 of these pumpkins, and I'm literally just using some all-purpose hot glue and just going all around with my pumpkins until they create a ring of pumpkins or my woodland pumpkin wreath. For some last minute detail on my wreaths, I decided to go ahead and take the twine that came with my wood slices and create these tiny little bows on each one of my pumpkin stems. I wanted to do this on each one of the stems all the way around just to give it a little bit of added interest. Again, I kept my pumpkins very simple. I didn't do any kind of shading or any kind of jack-o'-lantern faces. This is totally up to you. I think this turned out so cute and so sweet and very simple, and it's a great way to just celebrate the Halloween season without everything being so scary. Again, I love the way this looks on the front door. It pops against that purple front door and is the perfect way to celebrate the harvest season coming up. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the Arteza YouTube page and enjoy shopping with my link below.